What's up, guys? It's your boy, the Bad Wolf, here to bring you more information on, well, what it is to be an American national in this here country of ours. All right, so you found this video because you're looking up tax treaties, and I would assume so, well, I guess because of the title. So this means that you probably are looking to either file your IRS taxes correctly or you've gotten the W-8BN because, well, for those people that qualifies for it, it allows you to eliminate paying federal taxes. Now, tax treaties, what are they? Okay, so the United States has treaties or agreements in place that allow for an individual or a person or an entity, depending on who you are, to be able to not have to pay federal taxes or a reduced rate. I think it's up to 30%. So what are these forms? Okay, well, you're looking at like the 1040 NR, the W8BN, the W8BNE, the W4V, and the 8233 IRS forms. So if you're not familiar with those, you want to go and check those out or ask or talk to your friendly CPA or tax accountant or attorney or whatever else that you have in place. This is all educational and information only. So that being said, I digress. I do want to thank you guys for tuning into the channel and supporting the Bad Wolf. Feel free to reach out and find information on www.thebadwolf.media channel, which is my personal channel, or on my website, the Badwolf or blacksite32.com. Okay, so let's take a look. So essentially, each country, well, not all countries, but most countries, according to the IRS, they're basically saying that if you're here and you're not sure if you qualify to pay taxes, that you should just go with the closest thing that you have available and pay taxes. Okay. One of the problems is that, and I'm by no means am I saying don't listen to what they're saying. I'm just saying here are the things that you have to question. When they use the term in the United States or in the U.S., are they talk about the corporation or are they talking about the geographical country, the landmass, the 50 states? Well, typically they can only tax within the corporation, which is located in Washington, D.C. Look up where is the location of the debtor, or is the United States a corporation in Washington, D.C.? That should answer a couple of your questions. All right, but moving on from there, so that is in fact where the United States is located, in Washington, D.C. However, they do have territories, outposts, and for some of you people, your houses, because you've claimed by using the two-digit abbreviation which they own and the zip code that you are in fact domiciled on their property. You've basically assigned your property over to them, so you have to pay taxes. If these aren't the cases, then stop using their stuff. Okay. And a lot of people think that, your federal taxes go to your streets and your roads and the schools. Most of that comes from your local state taxes, your county taxes. Okay. That's where all that stuff is coming from. So don't miss out on your state, the republic side of your state, and your downtown republic, city halls, and all that good stuff. All right. Because they're the ones keeping things moving. Some places do get their money from them, typically like your highways and whatever else, but not all. Okay. So anyway, so if you want to learn more about tax treaties, so okay, so let's just say your W8BN. Okay, it'll say what tax treaty. Okay, well, takes for instance, all you have to do is put in there Canada or whatever country that you're from or your entity is operating from. Okay, so that being said, if you want to know more, like I said, you're going to go to irs.gov and you're going to, or else you're going to type in IRS tax treaties. That'll bring you to this page. Once you're here, okay, it's going to give you an overview. It's going to say, okay, United States Tax Income Treaties page. Now this is a page for its complete text of many of the tax treaties in force and their accompanying technical explanations. So this is going to break it down for you. Otherwise, you can look up tax treaty tables. And this is going to be a summary of many types of income that may not be taxed or are exempt or subject to a reduced rate. Okay, so here, for instance, if I click this, this is actually the Canadian tax treaty document, which is basically a whole bunch of blah, blah, blah. We won't tax you, you guys don't tax us, or it's where you're taxable if you do these certain things. So if you want the minutia of it, you can definitely go through and read at your own will, but it's long and boring. I've done it. It's not fun. But it is interesting. And if you want the technical explanation, there's a PDF here. It also shows you where and what year it was signed or updated or whatever else. So we don't need that. Okay. So here, United States Income Tax Treaties A to Z. This is on the IRS website, okay? So it's going to show you every country that they currently have a tax treaty. So here you can see by the hyperlink being purple. I went to this page, clicked Canada, okay? And that bring up the next page with the Canadian information and then the PDF so I can research it. So on the WABN or whatever else, they want to know what country. That's it. Which country do you have a tax treaty? Now, if they want or need specific information, then that might be when you need to dig deeper into the actual treaty. If they're saying, well, okay, you're claiming this one, typically they're not going to request all that. They're going to say, okay, so you're operating under the Canadian tax treaty. The Treasury Department also has their own list of countries that are also tax exempt or reduced tax. And this is on treaties and TIEAs on the treasury.gov website. So also if you're here, if you want to take part in treasury auctions where boats, cars, land, property, whatever else that are seized from, non-correct tax-paying individuals, you can get that there, or people who are in street pharmaceuticals, we'll just say. So you can email them right here to receive information and updates about all those things. Lots of things with either the Treasury and payments and taxes and whatever else. Up to you. All right, so anyway. So they basically have a list of all the new places that are now in treaties with them. Okay, so essentially that's it, guys. Not a terribly long video. It's just that there are a list of countries out there. So if you're from a specific one or other and you're not sure, that's how you do it. You're going to search tax treaties, then the name of your country, or you're going to go to the IRS, look through a list of them, and then see which one's best fit for you and your situation. Okay, so that's it, guys. Definitely want to say thank you for watching the videos and staying positive, staying woke, stay aware, stay wise. Now we'll talk to you later. Remember, if you guys want any of the merchandise, not this, because I was just painting and doing some stuff, but all the good merchandise with all the logos and court cases and whatever else, and there's more coming, check out down below on your phone or scroll up and you will see that, well, I've got a merch shop now. So I appreciate you guys for checking that out. And if you want other information, including files or whatever else, go to blacksite32.com. That's about it. Badwolf's over and out. I'll talk to you later.